Here we've got Chaplin and Monroe. I'm guessing that the tuxedo cat might be Chaplin. Yes. A boy. And yeah, Monroe is a girl. Marilyn and Charlie, I guess. So they look very peaceful. I'm going to open up and say hello. Nope, a bit shy. Hello, lovely. You're going upstairs with your brother. All right then. Aren't they gorgeous? Now, let's see what happens when I open this. Puss puss. So she's very shy. Just taking it all in. Hello, sweetie. They've been here a few weeks. Not sure what their story is. I think they came in with 2 other kittens, so maybe they're a litter, and the other 2 have moved on. Not sure. Beautiful markings. Look, very soft kind of grey and tawny mixed in together. Lovely little face. And he's still just calmly sitting there. Oh, look. Maybe you could take them together. That would be nice. Good to have 2 cats. They can keep each other company. And if they already get along, you're ahead. So,